Okay, this is the very sad truth. I have the external antenna. I just hooked it back up outside. I took it down because of the hurricane. Hooked it up to the 996P2, and I'm running the 396XT on the RS800 antenna. I'm running my Pro 197 on the telescoping whip. And this receiver with the telescoping whip is kicking both of these, kicking their butts. It's picking up Suffolk, Chesapeake, the Orion P25 system over in Virginia Beach, when these guys weren't picking up anything. Now I'm trying to get Suffolk here. We're just scanning Suffolk now. This one has the external antenna outside. This has an RS800, which is a really good antenna. And this one has just the standard telescoping whip. So I've got 3 to 4 bars in the S meter, 1 to 2 bars, and that's the out there antenna, and 1 to 2 bars on the RS800. So, but this scanner was picking up stuff on all three of those. See, Suffolk. Okay, we got it here. Didn't get it here. Now this is a handheld, so you'd expect. Look at that. It's got the PD. Okay, it came up, but it's struggling. It's trans. Okay, all 3 of them. This one's picking it up with 3 bars. This is a great. I'm telling you, this is an awesome scanner. It's got a great receiver on it.
Fire alarm 1501 Kings Highway, Battalion 2, Engine 6, Rescue 6, Tank 9, Fire alarm 1501 Kings Highway. All units marked out on fireground 2.
Okay, they're all struggling a little bit to pull that signal in.
Engine 49 is responded.
They're all struggling a little because it's it's all the way across the Chesapeake Bay, so it's pretty far. But if we go to, I lost my card that had all my talk systems for this scanner. I don't know what I did with it. So I have to just trial and error it. But let's see what function 12 was. Scan list 12 was. Let's turn the Suffolk off. Wait, I need to mark this down. That 18 over there is Suffolk. And Chesapeake is 12. Chesapeake is 12. So let's put them all back on Chesapeake. Now here's all the systems in both of these 2 scanners. Chesapeake is 7. So let's go to 7 now. Turn 8 off. 7. Now we're on Chesapeake on all 3 of these systems now. We got 2 to 3 bars over here. No bars over here. Well, 2. Let's see who picks up the Chesapeake. First one to get it was these. Okay, they both got it. Not getting it over here. Okay, both of these. Should put this one in front of the window a little bit. Well, the only one getting it's the 996P2. But it's got the external antenna. So for Chesapeake, it's beating them, but it's got the best antenna of the 3 right now. We hams got to know the truth. Okay, let's go with the Orion system 5. Okay, Orion. system 5. I don't know where it is over here. I think it was, maybe it's 5? No. Function 3. There it is. It's 13 is Orion. I'm going to have to build that list back up. Okay, let's see who picks up the Orion system.
Group 7 Cruise was Jet Whiskey Sierra Mike 5452.
No one else picked it up. 4 bars on the S meter. Didn't pick it up over here at all. Didn't pick it up over here at all. And this one's just running a telescoping whip. That Pro 97, man, it's hard to beat it. The screen isn't as pretty, but it's a hell of a receiver. I mean, it tells. Okay. This one.
Cardiac 1535 Hummingbird Lane. Cross streets are Snowbird Lane and Edenwood Drive. Not page limit 1.
That's picking up the same one that one picked up. I'm locking that. It's an on-ID. This has got Virginia Beach and Orion on scan list 5 for these 2 radios. Virginia Beach is their old system. Orion is their new digital P25. It's running both. This one's just running Orion over here. So what I'm thinking I'm probably going to do is run the external antenna on, over here on the Pro 197.
15 right to Cardiac, 1535 Hummingbird Lane. It's going to be for a 59-year-old female conscious breathing with difficulty and chest pain, 1844.
That's what I think my solution is going to be. Since the Pro 197 is the best receiver, I'm going to run the external on that one. Use that one when I want to really get across, the bay or pick up something really far, and use the internal antenna, which does really good for all the local stuff on this scanner. Eventually it'd be nice to get either get an antenna switch or get 2 different external antennas. But so far, we could do another test. What else we got? We could do Portsmouth, which is 6. Let's do. Okay, they're all picking up Portsmouth, but I don't know where Portsmouth is over here. They're both picking up. They're both picking up Portsmouth.
3721 Turnpike, low 3.
I'd have to experiment over here. Function 11. We just have to look. There it is. It's 11. So 11 is Portsmouth.
33. 33. Can you make 141 primary for now and show my intellect slide, please? I'll pick up 533.
Okay, they're all picking up Portsmouth. And that's also across the Chesapeake Bay. All 3 are picking up Portsmouth. I mean, the only possible explanation, besides that the Pro 97 is a better receiver, is to say there's something about that telescoping whip that's really awesome, which I really doubt. But as a true scientist, experimenter, ham radio operator, I'm going to have to switch that. You're just going to have to, use that. We're going to have to switch. We're going to have to switch antennas over here. I'm 99.999% positive that's not what it is. But you have to eliminate it. It's called a rival explanation. You have to eliminate the rival explanation. So, anyway, we're doing some testing. That's what this is all about. Everybody's picking up Portsmouth, though. Let's do
151.
let's do this. I'm gonna I'm taking the external off, and I'm putting the telescoping whip on back on the. Let's see if she'll pick up. Let's see if it'll pick up Portsmouth with the telescoping whip. It's picking it up here. It's picking it up here. It's picking it up, but it's having a big, tough time with it. Now I've got both of them have telescoping whips.
You still in Rapid Crystal Lake?
Yep.
This is picking it up,
45 seconds out.
Come on.
and this one's not. That one is. But this has got the RS800 antenna. That's a great antenna. I've got 3 of them now. I ordered a couple offline. There's an extra one right here, and I got one on my. You probably think I don't have any more scanners, right? Right here. This is the Pro 97, the counterpart to the handheld counterpart to the Pro 197, except this isn't digital, and this is. But these are my 3 RS800 antennas now. And this is my Pro 2006. This is an analog scanner. So we're clear.